Yeah,
amazing.
sure. Do you want the coleslaw on top? We haven't been doing it today just because.
Do you want coleslaw on top?
Sure.
Yeah, that's the way we typically. That's the way you have it, right?
It was
It's
fantastic.
good. Mayo goes great with everything.
Okay.
All right.
When do you set up over by Manulife over there?
So we're open Wednesday and Friday, and from 11 till 2.
You offer this same menu all the time?
Yeah, we'll do the sandwiches and the poutines, and then typically we'll run a couple features as well.
Okay, and your Crazy Canuck Caboose?
Yeah, the Crazy Canuck Caboose.
Okay, man.
Yeah.
Whereabouts did you go to get that?
I just went over here to the Bruce Caboose.
And what is it?
It's the Korean fries.
And how do you like it?
So far, so good.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're my sticky rice.
Okay.
So basically we're serving sticky rice with our mango strawberry dishes.
And you're based out of where?
And we're based out of Mississauga.
Okay. Do you have any other dates in Kitchener that you ever come down here? Or?
Okay.
This is our first event here.
This your first one down here?
Yeah, it's our first one, and this is the only one we have scheduled for the summer.
Okay.
So unless there's something comes up, we can come back.
Okay, well, we'll keep an eye out for you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Just tell me who you are and...
Yes, we are actually Mango Chutney. We are a restaurant in Cambridge.
Okay.
And this is an offshoot of that restaurant representing the street food of India. Very home style cooking. We do cook at the restaurant, and this is where we assemble, and we change the menu very often, event to event. And today on the menu we have a little tangy spicy chicken curry. And then we have a South Indian style gluten-free and vegan vegetables. They're in a lentil-based sauce.
Okay. Are there any other times that you're available in this area with a food truck?
We are licensed for Kitchener, Waterloo, and it's on mangochutney.ca on our website. We have a Facebook page. That's where we post our schedules.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you so much.
You obviously went to the Great Canadian Caboose or whatever?
Yes, I did.
Canadian
I
Caboose?
did. I got the apple smoked pulled pork.
And how is it?
It's really good. It's really good,
Yeah?
actually.
Would you go there again?
Yeah, I would.
Okay.
Yeah.
What did you get today?
I got a German sausage on bun.
Do you know what the vendor's name was?
Pardon me?
Do you know where you got it?
Yeah, Berlin 95.
Berlin? Okay.
95, yeah.
And how is it?
It's good, very good.
Yeah? Okay, thanks.